Namaskar, I am Rama Rao, India Wins Company Director, Bangalore. We are supplying 600 plus souvenirs to all our clients pan India and abroad. Today I am going to show you the mini portable bar set of Indian Navy. Similarly, we have made video for airports also. Please subscribe our channel and I will be giving good offers at the end of this video. Please share our link with all your friends, like the channel, subscribe channel. Hello all, we are from India Wins Company. I am Rama Rao. Today I am going to demonstrate the unboxing of Indian Navy's mini portable bar kit. So let's start. And thank you very much for everyone who are supporting my India Wins channel and supporting our company with lots of orders. We are supplying pan India and we keep introducing new products every month. So please follow our channel, subscribe and like and share. Now we supply the mini bar kit in a cardboard box. There is a request from many clients to show the Navy mini bar kit also. Earlier I made a video on Air Force bar kit. You can see my channel, India Wins YouTube channel. Nice logo and the upholstery is also very good. It's been given a beautiful handle to carry with brass knobs and good locking system with secret code. It comes with 000 initially and you can change as per your choice. And let's open this. This is how we get a box with all 6 glasses of whiskey, and this is cocktail shaker glass. You can see beautiful Navy logo. The filter inside and the stainless steel body. Here you can see Navy logo. Nectar bottle here, made of stainless steel body, 7 ounces. These are ice cubes, tongs. You can see Indian Navy logo on this. Ounce measure glass. Bottle of, we have 6 whiskey glasses here. Nicely wrapped in bubble paper. Good quality branded glasses inside. So I don't want this video to be very long, so I will not open all the glasses. I'll just show 1 or 2 glasses. Indian Navy brand on that. 6 glasses totally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and cocktail shaker and gifter flask, ounce glass. This is bottle cork bottle remover or cork opener, whatever it is called. This is bottle opener, ice cube tongs. These all things you will get in a box. The MRP is 5,000 rupees and we are offering at 2,999 as a 4th anniversary offer. Thank you for watching this video and please like and comment. Thank you. Jai Hind. Please subscribe our channel.